Keeping a garden this pristine is no mean feat. A whole team of horticulturalists work here, and these keen beginners are hoping to learn from the best. They're taking part in a basic gardening course, the first in a whole series planned for this summer. It's designed for complete novices, so anybody can join in. All you need is a bit of enthusiasm.
Gardening doesn't have to be for when you're retired, and it's great fun, and it's great to get your hands dirty and get out in the outside.
There are so many benefits to be had, really. It's an opportunity to be outside, to get a bit of exercise, and then to be able to have that real sense of achievement. And, you can start small.
The course is part of a wider project run here called Growing the Future. Organisers say it's all about delivering top quality training within the community, and they've got high hopes for the future.
It's a 5-year project and it's funded by the Welsh Government and the European Union, and we will be, by the end of the project, pan-Wales. So as well as running courses here in the Botanic Garden, we're also going to be running courses in different hubs throughout Wales, and that's what we're developing at the moment. So it'd be kind of watch this space, so you're right, it'll be pick up a trowel wherever you are in Wales.
The message is simple: get involved and give it a go. And that's exactly what James Callicott did. He's a trainee member of staff here at the Gardens, responsible for everything from weeding and watering to conservation and caring for plants. This week he's been working in the Great Glass House, where temperatures can soar as high as 47 degrees. Away from the heat, I asked him his top tips for home growers.
Make sure you feed your plants, that's key to keep them nice and green. Water them, make sure you really put the plant, select your plant for the right place. That's kind of key as well. Plants come from all around the world, make sure that where you're putting them is where they're going to be happy. And lastly, I'd say don't be too harsh on yourself. Even us professionals kill stuff. We kill them quite a lot, I must admit. But it's an opportunity to learn, but also to put something new in when you want a bit of a change.
These gardens have grown and nurtured James's passion into a career. Now they're hoping to spark an interest in others too. Jess Main, ITV News at the National Botanic Garden of Wales.